Hello, it's Mr. Smith here, and I'm just going to show you how to do some animation of numbers on something called Scratch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you from the beginning. So the first thing you have to do is you have to search for Scratch 3 using an internet browser. And what happens is it'll come to the top because it's been going for 10 years and it's really well used. So if you click on that, and then if you go to create, it's the second one from the left. So what will happen is you'll get a blank white screen with a cat on. So just move the cat to the side. And then you want the second circle at the bottom on the right. Just click on it twice. And you get all these characters which are called sprites, but we want them some different numbers. So I'm going to type in 2 and then press the enter key, the big enter key. Now you'll see that anything that's got a 2 in, so for example cat 2, character 2, dog 2 will come up, but the one we want is at the very bottom. And then it'll load it onto the page and you can move it where you want. So what we want to do now is we want to program it. So we're going to program the sprite or the character to do something, to be animated. So we're going to choose a yellow one which is called events. So when the sprite is clicked, that means when the number 2 is clicked, it's going to change colour. And that's a purple one under looks. And you have to scroll down, change colour effect. So now, as soon as I click on the sprite, it should change colour. Now this number can be changed, that's called a variable. So I'm just going to try 10. So it changes more gradually. You can choose any number up to 200. If you choose 200, it'll stay the same. It won't actually change colour. Can you see it staying as blue? But I'll just try 50 and then it should change into 4 different colours. So blue, purple, red, green and blue again. So if I choose 25, it should be 8 colours. Now the last thing I want to show you is that if you want this to happen automatically, you can put a loop in. Now that's a big orange one. It's under events and it's called control. And then you can say I want that to happen forever. Now when it says forever, it'll happen until you touch the red dot next to the green flag. So let's just try that now. So now, when I click on it, it should keep changing. And I can change this variable, so I'll make it 10. So that'll give me 20 different colours. And if I choose 5, it'll give me more colours still. And if I choose 1, it'll change colour gradually. So I want you to have a play with that, and then you can add some more numbers. So if you click on here again and type in 0, notice it's not O, it's 0. That's different, it's a number. Then you can add that. And a little hint is, if you want to not have to do all the coding again, you can actually drag that over to the 0, and then it'll automatically copy the code. So now we've got 2 numbers changing. And the colours change when you start clicking on it. So if I press stop and then I click on the 0 first, that'll start changing and then the 2 will start changing. So it makes it really interesting and it's an animation. And then if you want to, with your families at home, you can create an account. So mine's called Amazing ICT. And you can actually then save it. So I'll call this 2020 animation. So have fun, and I'll look forward to seeing some of your work.